Hey guys, welcome back to the Kin Woven Home. My name is Sharrah. Today we are going to jump into a video all about my favorite inexpensive furniture finds. I did a video about this, specifically all about IKEA furniture a couple of weeks ago. You guys loved it, so I decided why not do a Target kind of haul without having the furniture here. Some of these pieces I have in my home, some of them I have on order to have in my home. They're just things that I love from Target, and they're primarily all furniture. So I do want to know if you guys would like to see kind of my top picks for any decor pieces at Target. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to see that. And also answer today's question of the video, which is, what is your favorite place to shop at for inexpensive home decor furniture? Home decor furniture, why do I keep saying that? That's not a thing. Home decor, furniture. Leave me your favorite below, and let's get started. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, join the fam and hit the subscribe button. And it is good to note that all of these items I'm going to have linked below in the description box, so if you guys do want to shop them or check them out or add them to your wish list, be sure to do that and I'll link them below. So the first piece of furniture is the Esters Armchair. It is $300, and you guys have seen this chair in my house. I've had it in our bedroom here, 2 of the chairs, and then I swapped one of them out and put it in the guest house. Oh, and we also put it in the Kensington house in the little den, the daddy den, remember that? So good news, you can also find this chair on Wayfair, and it comes in many different colors. I love that it's sleek, it's very comfortable, it's a very stiff chair, so if you like a sturdy seat, you will love this chair. It kind of is similar to my favorite article chair, but it is a lot less expensive, and rather than it being leather, it is fabric, which is great. The second piece is the Emry wood ottoman. This is also obviously from Target, and you guys have seen this in our bedroom. I've used it as an ottoman. I have used it kind of as a side table, even though it does have a cushion on the top. I've put it in between 2 chairs before. I love that it's lightweight. I love that it looks very Scandinavian, and it's only $100, which is amazing for an ottoman. Next up is the Ventura Upholstered chair. Now this chair is great. You may have seen this in your Target. I have seen it in a lot of different Targets, so they do carry it in the store. Obviously you can also buy it online. It is $220. And I love the simplicity of this chair. It's very Scandinavian, clean lines. It would be perfect for a sitting chair, like in a nice little corner of your room or in the living room, but it also could be a great chair at a kitchen nook or in an office. It is comfortable. It has like a little cushion on the back of it and on the seat, and I just love the color of it, and I just think it's a perfect, simple, clean looking chair. Next up is this Elroy Sherpa accent chair. This bad boy is $265, and I absolutely love it. It looks so cozy. Disclaimer, I have not purchased this chair and I have not seen it in real life, but it is on my wish list. It just looks really cozy. I love like the faux Sherpa. If you guys watched my friend Ashley's makeover, remember Tyler said it, that one boucle chair I put in her room is like a chair he'd like to sit in after the bath. Tyler said earlier he wants to just take a shower and lay on this naked because he said it reminds it so cozy.
Don't worry, yeah. I didn't do it on
I told him he wasn't allowed to. This looks like a chair you could sit in naked and be very comfortable. Okay, it's very affordable for the fabric and for kind of the look right now. If you've seen Sherpa or boucle fabric chairs, they can be quite pricey, so this is an excellent option if you're wanting that style, but wanting to save a little bit of money. I would definitely go for this chair. Next up, now this is not furniture, this is a light fixture, the Ellis tripod lamp. You guys have seen me have this in my home. These are awesome lamps. They are floor lamps, so they're not meant to be on a surface up top. They're meant to go on the floor. They have like a brass finish and a really pretty drum shade, and they're just kind of a perfect like mixture of glam because of the finish, and then also kind of mid-century modern. If you guys saw my mom's Christmas tour, she stayed up in our guest room, and you'll notice that those lamps were on either side of the tree. So it's a beautiful lamp. I highly recommend it. They are $80. I don't know if I mentioned that. They're a great option if you guys are looking for floor lamps and you want it to be thin and like kind of clean lines and not anything too bulky. I highly recommend this option because it looks very sophisticated and it's very affordable. Number 6, the Aruba Blackout curtain. Now I have talked about these on Instagram, but they are kind of my new favorite blackout inexpensive curtain. You get 1 panel in each package and it's $29.99. This room has tons of windows, so we really needed a lot of like privacy and some light closing, light censoring is the word I'm looking for. We really needed some light shading. I don't think that was right either. These are them right here. The color I got was called Sour Cream. They sell out of them often, but they restock them often, so keep your eye out. And I just love them. They're really thick. They feel and look really nice and like high end. They don't look cheap at all, which is why I'm obsessed with them. I have them also in the nursery. I just highly, highly recommend these curtains. This next one is one of my favorites from the Studio McGee collection. It's called the Rose Park Coffee Table. I did purchase this one recently and it is currently sold out, but I have a feeling they're gonna restock it, hopefully. I love that it's round and I love that it feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel thick. When it comes in, you kind of put it together yourself, but it feels like a really sturdy, beautiful coffee table. And it's great for kids because there aren't any sharp edges, which is a huge plus. I think it's about $200 and keep your eye out if they restock it. Last time I checked, it was sold out. But fingers crossed that they restock that whole line because it is beautiful and I love it so much. Last but not least, the cane accent table and console table. Both of these, they're from the same grouping. I think they're from Magnolia, the Hearth and Hand line at Target. Caning can be really, really pricey and really expensive, so that's why I love these the most because they look really high quality cane, but it's very affordable. We have one of the accent tables in our entryway, kind of right by the mail slot. We have like an in the door mail slot, which is super cool, and the mail just kind of falls on it. And then the console table we have in our hallway, and you guys have seen that, and we just have some decor on it, but it's really thin. I think it's perfect for a hallway. It's perfect for if you have like a bedroom and you need to put your makeup or to put some stuff on it and you don't have like a huge room, maybe even a nursery. It would be really great to decorate. And you know me, I don't usually buy things in a set, but this time I did. I got both of those things in a set. I liked it that much. And it's super affordable, which is great. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that this was a fun video. Hopefully some of them were new to you and you'll be able to go online and kind of peruse and browse through some of the new options at Target. It's kind of crazy whenever I'm at Target and I see like an accent chair. I'm like, wow, that's so pretty, but I don't want to like carry an accent chair through the store. So kind of finding it on the app and then buying it online is really a better way to go in my opinion. I highly recommend you guys check these out and make sure you answer today's question of the video. What is your favorite place to shop for affordable furniture? Leave your comment below. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. Okay guys, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Love to you all. Bye-bye.